Welcome back, learners. In our previous lecture, we have completely finalized our design of the columns. Now, based on that, the design of the columns, now what we can do, we have finalized the final column dimensions as well as the final number of columns and as well as the final stirrup spacing. Okay, so therefore you can see this is corresponding to the column numbers, and this is the final shorter dimension of the column, this is the final longer dimension of the column, and this is the reinforcement diameter, this is the final number of longitudinal reinforcement and corresponding lateral tie spacing in inches. Now when it comes to the column number 17, it is showing 9.062. I can provide the 9-inch spacing. Okay, and keep it in mind, students, as per IS 456-2000, when we are providing the reinforcement, okay, the main longitudinal reinforcement to the column, the diameter of that reinforcement should not be less than 12 mm. Okay, it should not be less than 12 mm, because when the diameter of the reinforcement considered is having the diameter less than 12 mm, then there is a high probability of the failure of the column by the buckling. Therefore, as per IS 456-2000, if you are providing longitudinal reinforcement, the minimum diameter that you are supposed to choose should be 12 mm. And usually in any sites, if you have a normal 2 to 3 story buildings, we usually maintain the diameter of the rod between 16 mm to 20 mm. Usually we don't provide the odd number diameters, like we usually have the 16 mm diameter, 20 mm diameter, then next we choose 24 mm diameter. Okay, then next after 24 you have usually 28 mm diameter, then we go for 32 mm diameter, then we go for the 36 mm. Usually we don't go for 16, after that 18, no, after 16 we go for the 20, and from 20 we don't go for 22, we go for 24. There is nothing wrong, even you can go for 22 also, but the availability of the diameter, easily availability in the market is less compared to the 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 and 36. So if you have a very large project, then where tons and tons of steel is required, then usually what we can have for that exact diameter like 22 or 20 like that. So because you need in the large quantity, therefore directly from the manufacturer you can have in contact and you can make that diameter available easily. Otherwise it is usually any shops, they don't bring such kind of diameters because usually it will not be in the movement state. So that's why usually we go for the 16 or 20 or 24, 28, 32, 36. And one more thing, when we are providing the circular columns, as per IS 456-2000, minimum you are supposed to provide 6 number of reinforcement, and when you are using the square or the rectangular column, you are supposed to have minimum 4 numbers. And the one way of reinforcement, as we already know, we can provide the reinforcement equally, you can provide the reinforcement equally on any 2 sides only, or you can provide equally on all the 4 sides also. Both options are available. The second option is, sometimes usually the higher reinforcement diameters are provided at the corners of the column, whereas the lower diameters of the lower diameter reinforcement are provided in the middle. That is one way. Or what you can do, you can provide the same reinforcement same diameter reinforcement throughout the column. The choice is up to you. But if you are choosing the different diameters, that is providing the larger reinforcement at the corner and smaller reinforcement in the middle, you should make sure that when you do that, your percentage of steel what you have obtained in the calculation should match. For example, you are considering the 16 mm diameter rod and your area of the steel is something around 3100, and when you calculate that, you came to know that I need 8 mm rods or I need 12 mm rods, 12 number of rods. So the one option is you can provide 12 number of rods equally of the same diameter throughout the column. Otherwise what you can do, you can provide 4 of 12 number rods, and remaining numbers you can provide it in the middle, that other than 20 you can go for 16. But make sure that when you add the area of that entire longitudinal reinforcement of that particular column, it should match again with something around 3100 only. Okay, for example, of 20 mm diameter you have 12 rods. So if you provide 4 rods of 20 mm on the corner, the remaining rods will be how much? It will be 8. So you will be providing 8 rods of 20 mm. If you are providing same, then you provide 2, 2, 2, 2 on all the 4 sides, so that your area of reinforcement is matched. Now if you have decided to provide 16 mm in the middle, then you may provide 3, 3, 3, 3. You may require to provide 3, 3, 3, 3, that is 12 number of 16 mm, so that when you find out the area, that is pi by 4 20 square into 4 number plus pi by 4 16 square into 12 numbers 3, 3, 3, 3, it should come almost equal to the area, which is equal to pi by 4 20 square into 12 numbers. So in that way you are supposed to provide. So the choice is left to us, but here we are going to provide the same reinforcement of the same diameter throughout the column. Okay, and for the column number 18 also I am going to provide 9 inch. Then for this also it is 9 inch. Then for this column it is showing 11.93. So what I will do, I will go for the either 12 inch I can go, or I can go for 11 inch, but usually 11 inch or 9 inch it will not be provided. Okay, so what I can do, I will go for the 12 inch. So this will be anyhow 9 inch, this will be 9 inch, then this is also 9 inch. So this I am going to provide 12 inch. So 12 inch, 12 inch. So this is 9 inch, then this is 9 inch, spacing. So this is 12 inch. Then next you have 9 inch. So this is also 9 inch. So 12 inch, 12 inch. This is also 12 inch, 9 inch. So 9 inch, 9 inch. So this is 12 inch, right? So this will be my final reinforcement, longitudinal reinforcement details, as well as the stirrups details, that lateral tie spacing details. Now what I am supposed to do, you can see that the one which is in red color, I am supposed to change the column dimension in the ETABS. So let us do that. Okay, after that we will do the grouping. So when I go to column number 17, I am supposed to provide 230 into 460. Okay, 230 into 460. So just a minute. Yeah, so when it is 230 into 460, okay, so it is corresponding 230 into 460. Let us see. Okay, so we can see here only. Yes, so the first I am going to have is column number 17, right? So column number 17 I am supposed to change 230 to 230 460. So now you can see that this is column number 17. I'll make it to all stories. Now column number 17, initially it was different. Okay, So the geometry was sorry, let us keep it in plan elevation, so then we will come to know very easily. Okay. Yeah, column number 17, right? Yes, so I can go to view and I can set display option, and I can sorry, not display option, view, set building view limits. I'll make to all the story, show all, okay, right? If you see that my column number 17 is of it was actually 9 inch by 9 inch column. So therefore what I am supposed to do, so column number 17, and what about column number 18? Column number 18, no issues. Okay, so I have to suppose to make it to 9 inch into 1 feet 6 inch column. Supposed to make 9 inch into 1 feet 6 inch. Okay, so therefore when I keep it in plan, all stories, so this is column number 17, I'll choose this and I'll make it to delete this. After deleting, I'll go to column. After going to column, okay, I'm supposed to choose column number 3, this one, and I'm supposed to provide in this direction. Okay, therefore I can change the angle to 90 degree and I'm going to provide this. Okay, yes, so therefore, so these two this is also now okay to me. Then next you have column number 16 and column number 19. Let's see where it is, column number 16 and column number 19. So what I am supposed to do, so column number 16 I am supposed to make 230 by 460, but column number this I am supposed to make 460 by 460. That means I am supposed to make the square column of the larger dimension. Okay, let us make, I am supposed to define one more column, section property, frame sections, supposed to add new property, rectangle. So when I make rectangle, yeah, so I'm supposed to make a column of 1 feet 6 inch into 1 feet 6 inch column. Okay, and I'm going to use the grade as 25. So therefore if I am giving in inches, it is 1 feet 6 inch means 12 plus 6. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18 inch. I am supposed to make 18 inch by 18 inch column. This is 18, this is 18. Okay, this is 18 by 18 inch column. Supposed to give okay. Okay, this is another column, you give okay. Now column 16 I am supposed to change to 230 by 460. Definitely here also I am going to provide like this, therefore I will choose this and I will go to edit, I will delete this. Okay, then I will go to column, I will choose 9 inch by this, so I am going to place here, right? So this is my column number 16, so therefore I can make column number 16 green. Next you have column number 19, I am supposed to choose 460 by 460, that is 1 feet 6 inch into 1 feet 6 inch. So column number 19, I am going to delete this, edit, delete, I will go to this, then I am supposed to choose this column, which is a square column of this dimension. Okay, yes, definitely this will be of the higher one because maximum loads will come to this column. So therefore column number 19 I am going to make green. So no issues with column number 21 and 20. Then again I have column 28 is the issue. Which is column 28? Column number 28. This is column 21. Yes, column 28. Column 28, I'm supposed to remove this. I'm supposed to provide the column in this direction. Edit, delete. I'll go to column. I'll choose this and I'm going to provide like this. Yes, that is column 28. I can make it to green color now. Then next you have column 27, that I am supposed to make 460 by 460. Column 27, yes, here also maximum load will come. So I am supposed to edit and delete this column. (460 by 460). Okay, yes. So this is column 460 by 460, right? So then next you have again 25 and 26, both I am supposed to make 460 by 460. So 25 and 26, yes. So which is this? This is column 26. Yeah, 25 and 26, yes, column 25 and 26. So this I am supposed to delete this. So edit, delete. So I'll go to this columns I'm supposed to choose. Yeah, I'm supposed to provide here. Okay, so that is column 26. I can make this as green. The next you have is column number 25 also. So that is here. So edit, delete. Okay, column 25. Yes, so this is column number 25. Okay, yes, so this also I can make it to green color. So then column number 24 and 1, no issues. Again I have a issue with column number 2. So where is column number 2? Let's see. Column number 2, this is 6. Yeah, this is 5. This is 3. Column number 2. Okay, so this I am supposed to remove. You know, maximum load will come. So delete and column number 2. Okay, so that is column number 2. Then next you have all are red. I am supposed to change column number 5. Column number 5 is here. Okay, column number 5. This I am supposed to make it to 460 by 460. Delete column number 5. Okay, then next you have column number 6 and 7, both are 460 by 460. 6 and 7. So where is 6 and 7? Yeah, column 6 and 7. Okay, you can see that this much entire area of load has to come here. So therefore definitely column 6 and column 7, both I am supposed to delete. Column 6, column 7. Okay, yes, so column 6 and column 7. The next you have 8, 10 and 11 and 12, 13 also I am supposed to make 8 and 10. Okay, let us make 8 and 10. So that is 230 by 460. 8 let us make. So where is column number 8? Yes, column number 8. So I am supposed to give the column in this direction, column number 8. So file, edit, delete. when I take this column, I'm supposed to change it to, is like this, so make it to 0 degree. Okay, so yes, this is column number 8. Then next you have column number 10, 230 by 460. Okay, so where is column number 10? Column number 10. Yes, column number 10. So this I am supposed to make like this only. So column number 10, 230 by 460. Yes, 90 degree. Column number 10. Okay. So then next you have finally column number 11, that is 230 by 460. Column number 11. Yes, column number 11, 230 by 460. Here like this, column number 11, 230 by 460. Then next you have column number 12, 13, 460 by 460. Column number 12, yes, 12 and 13. You know, it is a beam of very large span, 20 feet. So this entire area has to come to this. Therefore, definitely we are supposed to change these two. So of delete this one to this one. So here. Okay. Yes. So that is about the final positions of our final dimensions of the column. Therefore, now what I can do, I can make a group based on my spacing as well as based on the reinforcement details, right? Yes. So now what I can do is, you can see that I can make one more sheet. Okay. So, and I'll just try to do that. If you see here, it is 230 by 460. It is 230 by 460, and but I cannot make this into one group because you can see it is 8 and 14 numbers. So therefore, no, it is 230 by 460. Okay, you can see that any other column with 230 by 460 with 8 numbers. Okay, you can see 8 numbers. Okay, therefore I can make this one. So, and column number 28, 230 by 460. Sorry, not column number 28. So this one. Then column number 20, 230 by 460, 16 number. Oh, sorry, this one. 230, 460, 16 diameter, 10 numbers. No, it is 8. No, not possible. Okay. So this is also not possible. So all are of 20 mm. No. So then we have to make one column of 230 by 460. Okay, of 16 mm and 16 mm of 8 numbers and 9 inch spacing, right? So let us make a group number 1. Okay, so this is group number 1 of 230 by 460 of the dimension, and the diameter is 20 mm, and I need 8 bars, and the lateral spacing is of 9 inch, right? Yes, so that is one group. Okay, that is this group, and the corresponding, okay, I can make it to black color now, and the corresponding column number is column number 17. Okay, so this will be my column number 17 for this, right? Okay, that is one group. Then if you want, now you have 230 by 460 only, but I have 14 numbers, right? So this is not possible. So this is also not possible. 14 numbers, no, no, no. So yes, I think this 230 by 460 16 mm 14 numbers. So therefore I can make column number 18. Okay, and if you see column number 24, 230 by 460, 16 mm diameter, 14 numbers and 9 inch spacing. So these two I can make, 18 and 24. Okay, I can make column number 18 and 24. Okay, so that is second group. So this is the second group of 230 by 460 only, 230 by 460 only, 20 mm only. So but 20 mm diameter, but what is the number? So the number is 14 numbers. Okay, so the number is 14 numbers. So let us see, is there any other column like that? So two columns are done. Okay, you can see another column. Yes, you can see here only 230, 460, 16, 14. Correct? Then here one more, 230, 460, 16, 14. Right, therefore I can make column number 1 and column number 3. Right, so 230, 40, 460, 16, 14, 9 inch spacing. Column number 1 and 3 also it can be done. Column number 1 and 3. Okay, so comma 1, comma 3. Right, so let us see any other column is there. 230, 460, it is 16, 10. So no other columns, right? Okay, then next you have 230, 460, 16, 10 number. Okay, 230, 460, 16 of 10 numbers. So third group. Okay, so it is of 230, 460, 20, but it is of 10 numbers. Okay, so this will also be 9 inch spacing only, but it will be of 10 numbers, that's all. Okay, that is also 9 inch spacing only, but it will be of 10 numbers. So that if you see 230, 460, 16, 10, 230, 460, 16, 10, 230, 460, 16, 10. So I can write 16, 21 and 20. Right, 16, 21, 20. Then any other 230, 460, 16, 10. 230, 460 no, 230, 460, 16, 10 no, 230, yeah, then one more 230, 460, 16, 10, that is column number 4. Okay, column number 4. Then next, this is no, that is also not there. Okay, so these are the columns that with 10 numbers. Okay, yes, so these are the column with this 10 numbers. Yes, so that one. The next you have is fourth group. Okay, so in fourth group, so let us take 460 by 460 now. 460, 460. Let us take 460 by 460 column, 20, 14, 12 inch spacing. Or let us take one more 230 by 230, 20 of 8 numbers. Okay, so let us make 230 by 460, 230 by 260. So I think 20 of 8 is already done. No? 20 of 8, 20 diameter, 8 numbers. Okay, so now whatever we have done, they are all of 16 mm diameters. I hope so. Yes, so everybody is of 16 mm diameters. Sorry, these are 16. Okay, so these are of 16 mm diameters. So now let us make it of 20 mm diameters, right? Now let us check 20 mm. So 230, 460, 20 of 8. Anything else is left? 28 9-inch spacing. These are all 460, I think so. Yeah, you can see that there is a column that 230, 460, 20 mm. So you can make it to 8 number. Okay, you can make this to 8 number so that we can group. Okay, even I can make this to 8 number. Even I can make this to 8 number. Okay, I can make a group. So these groups I can make, that is 28, 8, 10, 11. Okay, so they are of how many rods? They are of 8 rods. 8 rods, and anyhow the spacing will be 9-inch only. So what are the column numbers you have? 28, 8, 10, 11. Okay, so 28, 8, 10, 11. Okay, 28, 8, 10, 11. So that is, I can make this, and I will make this to 8 numbers. Okay, 8, 8, 8. Yes. So then next you have is, let us go to 460 by 460. So therefore this is my fifth group. Fifth group, it is of 460 into 460. Okay, it is of 460 into 460. Now let us go to 20 mm rods. Okay, let us go to 20 mm rods. So let us see now 20, 14. Okay, so I can consider this 20, 14 and 12 inch. Yes, then 20, 14 and 12 inch. Yes, 20, 14 and 12 inch, right? Then no, this is 20, 18 and 12 inch. Okay, it is 20, 18 and 12 inch. Then this is 20, 14, 12. Okay, this also I can consider 20, 14, 12. So this is 20 and 8, and this is also I can consider 20, 14 and 12. So therefore what I can do, it is 20 of 14 numbers, and it is of 12 inch spacing. Okay, it is of 12 inch spacing. Okay, it is of 12 inch spacing. So then next, what are the numbers? It is 19, 27. Okay, 19, 27, 19, 27, 26, 25, 26, 25, 26, 25. Then you have 5, 12, 13. Next you have 5, 12, 13, right? So these are the groupings of this fifth group. Then next you have fifth group. It will be of 460 by 460 only. Okay, it will be of 460 by 460. Here no columns. So 20 mm only you have, but you can see 20, 18, 12 inch, 20, sorry, this is not 18, this is 8. Okay, this is 8. So it is 28, 12, 28, 12, 28, 12. So these three groups I can make. Okay, they are 460 by 460. So it is 28 numbers, 12 inch. Okay. So what are the numbers? It is 2, 6, 7. Okay, it is 2, 6, 7. Okay, so this is how the column groupings we have. So in the tomorrow's video, let us learn that how to combine the reinforcement of the footing and column as well as the grouping of the footing and column together and providing one final reinforcement detailing or the reinforcement information sheet which should be provided to the contractor. Let us learn that. Okay. Thank you, learners.